I'm over here struggling. Come on, man. It's always that one pin that don't want to come out. Alright, forget it, man. Alright, let me see. Alright, so this is the cord that we're looking for. Y'all can't really just see it, but it's right here. And this is the cord that I have to pop out from the acceleration. So give me a second and we're gonna get right to it. Alright, so here we go. You wanna hold on, give me a second, man. My hair is in my eye. Alright, so it should be like a little clip that you just push and wow, my nails too long. Let's see if I can do it with my right hand. Okay, so after taking this off, what you want to do is you have two of these, male, female. I think this is the female, this is the male. I'm not sure. But, alright, so what you want to do is take the male and the female and let's see if I can put that in there. I guess that locks it. And then I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna put this like this. Give me a second. All right, let me see if I can. It must be the other way. There we go. So, as you can see, I got it in. It's locked in, and I got this pretty much in. I'm gonna put that. There you go. Wait, I'll put that like that. And that's it, man. So, yep, I got pretty much everything. I end up just bringing it up under the steering wheel. What I'm probably gonna do is just like sit it up like right here. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. But let me see how I do. All right, so I basically got it working. It's in eco mode. I guess this city mode, sport plus, and I guess I press these to up the sensitivity. So it's a little wet outside, but I'm just pretty much showing y'all like what it is. So yeah.